how to turn off or turn on Apple Mail categories on macOS Sequoia. Apple Mail categories can automatically organize your inbox into 4 sections: primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. This handy feature was introduced with the macOS Sequoia 15.4 update. However, if you prefer to view your emails in the order you received them, you can easily turn off or disable the Apple Mail categories. Here is how. First, open your Mail app. Next, make sure All Inboxes is selected in the left sidebar. Then click the More button with 3 dots. And from the Options menu, uncheck Show Mail Categories to turn it off or disable the feature. If you later want to turn on or enable mail categories again, simply select All Inboxes, click the More button, and check Show Mail Categories. If you are looking for free apps to enhance your Mac's performance or security, click on More below this video to access the link to the tutorials. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.